Hello everyone, we are thrilled to have you on our channel. Today, we are diving into the captivating world of home gardening and learning how to grow fresh, fragrant lemons right at home. Growing lemons is not only delicious and healthy, but it's also a fantastic way to add some greenery and freshness to your home. Imagine having a lemon tree on your windowsill that offers you bright, juicy fruits all year round. Whether you are a gardening novice or already have a green thumb, growing lemons at home can become your new favorite hobby. Let's embark on this journey together, from selecting a pot to harvesting the fruits. Lemons love warmth and sunlight. The best conditions for them are a temperature between 15 and 30 degrees Celsius, that's 59 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and bright lighting. If your home feels like a sunny paradise, lemons will thrive there. But even if you lack perfect lighting, don't worry. We'll guide you on how to adapt the conditions. Place your tree near a window with southern or western exposure, and it will happily flourish. And if your home has little natural light, special plant lights will be your best friends. For your lemon tree to grow healthy and strong, it needs the right soil. The ideal soil for lemons is a light, well-drained mix with a neutral to slightly acidic pH. The soil should provide good drainage to prevent the roots from becoming waterlogged. We recommend adding a bit of sand or perlite to the soil mix for better water flow. Before planting, make sure to prepare the soil. Check its pH level and add organic supplements to provide your plant with all the essential nutrients. Choosing the right pot is the first step to successfully growing lemons. Make sure your pot has enough drainage holes and select one that's 2 to 3 inches larger than the plant's root system. When planting, don't forget to leave space for the roots to grow freely. Position the root system so that the root collar sits slightly above the soil level. Place the pot in a spot with maximum light exposure. Lemons love sunlight, so the more light, the better. Ideal spots are near windows that face south or west. Watering is one of the most crucial aspects of lemon tree care. Lemons like moisture, but not too much. Check the soil moisture before each watering. It should be slightly damp, but not wet. Water your tree when the top layer of soil dries out 2 to 3 centimeters deep. It's important not to overwater the plant to avoid root rot. As for fertilizing, lemons are real gourmets. Use fertilizers with high levels of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Feed the tree every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Pruning is key to a healthy and beautiful lemon tree. Regular pruning helps shape the canopy and stimulates the growth of new shoots. The best time for pruning is early spring or late autumn, when the tree is not actively growing. Remove dry or damaged branches as well as those that hinder forming a nice shape. When growing lemons, you might encounter various issues like yellowing leaves or pests. Don't worry, we're here to help. Yellowing leaves can be a sign of improper watering or a lack of nutrients. Check the soil moisture and ensure your plant is getting enough fertilizers. Pests like spider mites or scale insects can be a real threat. Regularly inspect your plant and use insecticides or natural methods to combat pests. So, growing lemons at home is a wonderful way to add freshness and brightness to your life. Don't be afraid to experiment and enjoy the process. Remember, taking care of a plant is not just a duty, but also an opportunity to enjoy nature right in your home. Lemons will not only beautify your interior, but also provide you with juicy fruits. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, write in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any exciting new videos about gardening.